Hey, hi, Sue Moore here, and the question today is, how open are you to hearing some of the most misused thoughts on skincare? Today we're going to talk about facts and myths around what we do for our skin. So today I'm going to give you three. First one is, and we've heard this forever, and that is, hey Vicki, how are you doing? Thanks for jumping on. The first one is, I need to drink 8 glasses of water a day for my skin. And the reality is that outside of humidity, it's not how much water you consume that determines how dry you are. So popular to contrary opinion that's been perpetuated by the bottled water companies, downing excessive fluids is not the best way to keep your skin hydrated, to keep it from drying out. In fact, by overhydrating, you flush out the minerals and essential vitamins and the electrolytes that your skin needs. And so the suggestion here is trust your body's natural signal, which is thirst. When you're thirsty, that's what you do, is you take water then. Only severe dehydration can dry out your skin, and that's really not an issue for many, many people. So, okay, so that's number one. Number two is, well, if I don't use a moisturizer, I'm going to get wrinkles. And I can see how people would make that connection, but the purpose of moisturizer is to hydrate the skin and deliver a temporary soothing effect, okay? Moisturizers alone don't prevent wrinkles. And like I've said many times on these videos, the best prevention for wrinkles is a sunscreen, some sort of a retinol or a retinol product, okay? Glycolic acid, which is a small little molecule that is able to penetrate the skin deeply and easily, and then peptides. So moisturizers are good, but they are not going to prevent you from getting wrinkles, okay? And then number three is, this one I hear all the time, particularly some of my friends that are about my age. Well, my skin, I think, just gets used to the skincare products I'm using, and so therefore they're just not working. And the fact is that skincare products, to get the full correction benefit, will happen within the first 12 weeks or so, okay? The preventive benefits, on the other hand, are very ongoing, and they're difficult to measure. But they may even be more important to your skin than the corrective benefits. Just because you're no longer seeing the initial benefit that you had first observed when you started using whatever the skincare is, doesn't mean it's not working. What it means is that it's maintaining at a healthy level. Now, a good example of that is, I take a product for something to do with my fingers and so forth, and I take it twice a day. And at one particular time, I ran out. My auto ship hadn't arrived, and so I was without that product for about 5 days, maybe 6 days. And then I realized what it was doing for me. And I went, holy cow, I'm never going to go through this again. So just because you can't see what's happening initially, like that you can initially, it's still working. Trust me, if you stopped using whatever it is you're using, your skin would revert back probably. So that's it for today. So to recap, drinking 8 glasses of water isn't necessarily the thing to do to keep you hydrated. In fact, it could be detrimental. The second one was you use a moisturizer because you don't want to get wrinkles, and the reality is that you really need a sunscreen and a retinol or retinol product. glycolic acid, and peptides. And last but not, hey, Barbara Antonakis, last but not least is your skin getting used to a product, and that just doesn't happen. They'll take care of the initial benefits, and then it maintains them over time, okay? So I hope you like these, and I hope you got some value out of it. I have 7 more fact, myth tidbits for you. If you'd like that, just message me. I'll be happy to pop them over to you. Otherwise, journey well. Have a great rest of today, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.